Hello everyone, I'm just posting a quick video as a sort of check-in for the end of the semester. I hope y'all are still doing well. I know it's really stressful right now with the transition online, and if you've been online the whole time, it's still stressful because the end of the semester always brings up a lot of testing and a lot of assignments. I'm in the process of grading your final papers, but so far I really like what I see. Um, yeah, so let me know if you have any questions concerning that. I should be finished grading those by the 9th. Now let's get to our final. Sorry, I realized I was sharing my screen and you all saw that screencast page. So for our final exam, I put it in our content assignments folder. And I'm also going to post a link to this video up here, so this is not exactly how it will appear. And I also posted a link in our current unit module, right underneath the instructions for this unit. So, details to know for the final exam. The exam is cumulative, meaning it will cover all of the topics that we've discussed throughout the semester. Now, I realize that's a long time and y'all are learning a lot of things. So to ask you to pull some theories and to go over 19 chapters, even though you should know it, it's a little intense, so I wanted to try to ease that for you. What I've done is I've concentrated the questions on chapters 8 through 19. Now, we still have questions that come from chapters 1 through 8, but since we've tested on those previously, I'm not going to emphasize them as much in the final. But for the distribution, just know that a majority of the test questions come from chapters 19 through 8. So I have 4 questions on chapter 19, 4 from 18, 3 from 16, 1 from 15, 4 from 14, 2 from 13, 4 from 12, 3 from 11, 3 from 10, 2 from 9, 4 from 8, 1 from 7, 1 from 6, 2 from 5, and 5 from chapter 1, because that's a lot of overview and fundamental developmental principles that y'all should already know about. I know that was a lot of information to take in, so if you kind of zoned out while I was reading that list, basically understand that there will be no more than 5 questions from each chapter. And so what I've done is that I've presented the questions, you get them all at once, and I've grouped them by what chapter they're in. And so this way you can more efficiently cruise through your notes and not flip back and forth. And I've also titled, in the title of the question, I've provided the chapter where you can find that information. So hopefully, since this is open note, open resource, you can find that information more efficiently, have it organized for however you take the test. Because the test is timed, you will have a time limit of 1 hour and 30 minutes. If you exceed 90 minutes, it will auto-submit, and you are done. So please provide the best answer choice for each question, and make sure you kind of know your stuff before you're going in. If you've read through and watched the video lectures and paid attention in class, or whether that's online or in person, you should be fine for this exam. Feel free to use your notes. Again, like I said, they'll be a good resource to you. This test is going to be due May 9th by 11:59 p.m., but I will be lenient and accept it up until the 11th, because I know with the end of the semester coming up, we have a lot of due dates popping up. But please try to make this sooner rather than later, because I will be posting grades on the 12th. So I want to have this as soon as possible to give you that feedback. If you have any questions about the content related to the exam, let me know, and I will surely discuss what I can with you. Just know that the exam will cover a lot of Kohlberg, Erikson, Piaget, Those are kind of big things, big topics that we've talked about repeatedly throughout the semester because those different stages are going to span different developmental cross sections, like Piaget, where we went from infancy to childhood and different stages of childhood. So make sure you have a good understanding of those because I'm going to ask multiple questions from different chapters on those. Um, Other than that, most of the information comes from our text and PowerPoints. Um, so make sure you review those accordingly. As always, let me know if you have any questions and um, reach out to me if you are in need of any assistance. And good luck to you all.